Hello everybody, this is my Pulse R71 airsoft gun. It's like a AK-74 and I'm going to be shooting stuff today. Like a CD player, a Chicken Express cup, and a potato, and a CD case and a CD inside of it. Hope you enjoy. And here's my other M4, and I have a G36C put up somewhere. The Chicken Express cup is on the top, and the CD player is on the bottom. This will be on fully auto, so it's pretty loud. Okay, now I'm going to go to the potato. I know it's potato, it's kind of funny, but it's going to put a big old hole in it. Got to wind it up first. Hate when you have to wind it up. Okay, the CD case fell off. Now I need to pick it up. Wind, 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 wind. Now to top it off, I'll shoot the M4 at it. Okay, M4. Gotta shoot that. I set it in fully auto. And let's go see what it done. Okay, so here's the potato. Kind of stinks. And destroyed it. The CD case has a bunch of holes in it. Something about motor oil or something. And it tore the CD up. Okay, I'm not surprised. Now, CD player didn't do much damage. Put a bunch of holes or marks on it and stuff. And the cup, a bunch of holes in it. Here's what I did to the can earlier. Yeah, I kind of jacked it up. Put a hole through it and cut. In the next video, I'll shoot my G36C at a can and destroy it. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed. Bye.